in a wallet. I have Software, so that's what I'm going to use. So I'm connected. So then I'll configure my inheritance, and I'm going to do that by adding in my air addresses. So I'll pause the video and then add my wallet addresses. So yeah, these are my air addresses. These are the people that I want the money to go to in case my money to go to, like in the event that something happens to me or something, or I lose the wallet or I'm unavailable to. Yeah. So click on next. So these are the percentages I can adjust. However, 50, 50, 30, 20 here for the three S. And then for the purpose of this, I'm just going to set it to an activity period of 2 minutes for this test. So here I'm completing my setup. I'm going to sign a transaction. Okay. Spend over. So yeah, I'm approving. Yeah, exactly. Approving this um protocol to spend 1,000 USDC, right? I think I have about, let's say, 1,215 in this. Yeah. So authorizing it that, like, if anything is to happen over a stretched period of time, you can just take at least 1,000 is more than half of is like 80% of what's in the wallet, right? So just tell it, okay, split the 1K here amongst the three people that are there. So I'll approve it. And then see. So I'm done with my setup. So yeah. So yeah, the time I started counting. So when it gets to 2 minutes, it's going to be triggered, right? And then it will now split the money in the wallet into the air account. So this is the point where it initiates the split of the money into the